Hello everyone, welcome to the Inquiry Lab. We're on page 313 in the 6th grade math book. This is, how can you using models help you divide one fraction by using another fraction? So we're dividing fractions today. Toby bought 8/9 pounds of trail mix from the grocery store. He wants to divide the trail mix into 2/9 pound bags. How many bags can Toby make? What do you know? We know he bought an 8/9 pound bag, or he bought 8/9 pounds of trail mix. And then we know he wants to divide the trail mix into two 9th pound bags. How many bags can Toby make? Oh, so what do we need to find? How many bags Toby can make? Hands-on activity 1. To solve the problem, use the division sentence 8/9 divided by 2/9. This shows how many groups of 2/9 are in 8/9. To make a bar diagram that represents the amount of Toby's trail mix, divide the bar into 9 sections. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I know they're not equal, but just act like they're equal. And then we have 2/9 here, 2/9 there, 2/9 there, and 2/9 there. Oh, this is shaded. So we're going to shade 8 out of the 9. Oh, wait. Yes, yeah. Shade 8 sections of the 8/9 pounds. So now we're going to circle them into 2/9. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 groups of 2/9 and 8/9, so 8/9 divided by 2/9 equals 4. Toby can make 4 bags of trail mix that each weigh 2/9 pounds. So that's the model way. I'm going to show you guys the equation way. 8/9 divided by 2/9. It's actually the same thing as whole numbers. So our division sign is going to change into a multiplication. And then our divisor, we're going to find the reciprocal. So 2/9 is going to be 9/2. And my dividend stays the same. So I can do this. 9 and 9 are going to cancel out. 2 and 8 is going to change into a 4. These are 1s. 4 times 1 is 1. 4 times 1 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. So we still get 4 bags. That's the equation way. Step 2. Find 3/4 divided by 3/8. Rename the fractions so they have common denominators. I already don't like this. Since 8 is a multiple of 4, rename the fraction of 3/4 as 6/8. Because we can take 3/4, and if we multiply that by 2/2, that's going to be 6/8. And we can do that because 2/2 equals 1. So we know that 6/8 and 3/4 are equivalent. Draw a diagram with 8 sections of the table and shade 6. I'm sorry. Draw a diagram with 8 sections and shade 6 of the sections to represent 6/8 of a pound. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to shade 6 of these. And then we're going to circle each groups of 3/8. So I have a 3/8 here and a 3 out of 8 over here. To determine the number of equal groups of 3/8. So there's two groups of 3/8 and 6/8. So 3 over 4 divided by 3/8 is 2. Over here to the side, I want you to write it down too. We're going to try the equation way just to help some of us out. So remember, the division sign is going to change to multiplication. 3 over 4 stays the same, and then we have to find the reciprocal, which is 8 over 3. We have a 3 on top, 3 on bottom. Those are going to cancel. 4 and 8 have compatible number of 4, so divide that by 4, divide that by 4. That's going to cancel, and this changes into a 2. So we have 1 times 2 equals 2, and then 1 times 1 equals 1. So we get 2. Hands-on activity 3, draw a diagram to find 2/3 divided by 2. So draw a diagram and shade the sections to represent 2/3. So we're going to say this is 2. And I'm going to split that up, so 1 and 1. So now I have to do thirds in each of the ones. And then I want to shade two-thirds here and shade another 2/3. So that's 2/3 of the whole thing. And now I have 2/3 here, 1 and 2. So we have 2 equal groups. Write the fraction that names each group. So that's a 1/3, so it's going to be 1/3. See, this is kind of hard to explain. That's why I like using the 2/3. You're just using the equation model. So 2/3 stays the same. This is going to change into multiplication, and then we have to find the reciprocal of 2. So we flip that from 2 over 1 to 1 over 2. Now there's a 2 on top and a 2 on bottom, and those are going to cancel, and those are going to change into 1. 1 times 1 equals 1. 3 times 1 equals 3. So you get 1/3. So go ahead and try the investigate, but that's also the end of the notes. So thank you for watching.